You are not dumb. You made it here, didn't you? You don't need to start at the beginning. You don't need to start over. Start where you are, because where you are is so significant. Because you're here, so you clearly already have and are the awareness you seek. You made it to this channel. You made it to my front door. So let's start there. You clearly know something. Sage Sessions starts where you are, not at the beginning, not over, only now. Sage Sessions starts now with all the tools that you already have, and takes the strength of your consciousness to find and use those tools that you think that you've lost or believed you never had. Where you are is so significant because where you are is here. That's where we start. Click the link below for your free 15-minute consultation. My name is Karen Pearson. Live deliberately. Namaste.